guys, welcome to my channel. We're off to our first van life travel for 2021. So we are currently in La Libertad. I stopped by at old house in La Libertad, old house resort. You remember in my previous video, the Pamanikan video, we went to this place, so I remember the place, and I booked a room to stay for the night because we don't really know the place and we can just camp anywhere. So we will be off to some waterfall, I guess. We'll see if how much the van can go, but so with these two kids right here, I guess stay tuned guys. By the way, the place is only cost us 350 per night. Not bad, because we get to charge our phones. It's only a fan, but it has a comfortable bath, and with a beach like this. But we're gonna enjoy the beach later tonight. We're gonna off to the waterfalls first. Stay tuned, guys.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett? Vegetables. Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie to me.
Okay, so we're here now, guys. I'm a bit disappointed because I really thought it's a waterfall. It's actually just a river, but it looks really enchanted. I think they must be true. This must be the Enchanted River. I was wrong, guys. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Chocolate hills of Negros, guys. Ang ganda!